gravel road that knows my clan. It ends up remembering every dream it can. Rust on the mailbox, paint peeling away. Passion still burns like yesterday. Old screen door sings when the north wind blows. Our family stories in the fields we sow. When I've wandered all the towns I've seen, it takes me where the grass grows green. You can chase the skyway, you can ride the rails on the open highway. We took another trail, dust on my boots, ice water in my veins, a horse crying for freedom in a red river rain. If home is just a feeling, this heart can still feel pain, like that old horse bucking while breaking his chains. Roadside diner reflects my face, coffee black and a nice easy pace. I left city lights for the stars at night, found more truth in an old porch light. Friends come and go like the changing wind, but the songs keep bringing us back again. Remember all of the miles we left behind, leave the heavy world at the county line. Some roads end, some roads teach you how to begin. And every storm through every mile, that old red dirt still makes me smile. You can chase the skyway, you can ride the rails on the open highway. In my veins, a horse crying for freedom in a red river rain. If home is just a feeling, this heart can still feel pain, like that old horse bucking while breaking his chain. Oh, take me home where the wide skies are mine. Oh, take me home where the red dirt dusk is fine. Dust on my boots, wind in my soul. As long as these old strings sing, I'll never walk alone.